The Supreme Court needs reform. The High Court is not infallible. Welcome to Law and Society. Please subscribe. Let's talk about the Supreme Court. Should SCOTUS have the power to make medical decisions without the judiciary's own comprehensive healthcare briefings, in addition to any medical or psychological expertise presented at trial? Should it base its ruling solely on the legal record, the court's past opinions, and legal briefs, when additional field expertise would better inform the decision-making process, thereby making the ruling more just and fair? There should be medical experts who exclusively advise SCOTUS in cases that involve bodily autonomy. The board should include mental health professionals as well. The court should also have a historical advisory board that informs the court about the accurate history upon which the court can base its rulings. The court needs historical guidance to help it make sound decisions that comport with our history and traditions. History and tradition cannot be what the court unilaterally decides it to be. It must be scholarly and deliberative, where historians focus on facts rather than pigeonholed subjective notions of history and tradition that justices bring to the bench. SCOTUS needs expansion. Congress must increase SCOTUS's capacity to lower the workload on each justice and hasten the time it takes for the court to issue time-sensitive rulings, like with tariffs, abortion rights, National Guard deployments, transgender rights, and any case that acutely infringes on individual rights guaranteed by the Bill of Rights and the 14th Amendment. Congress should increase funding so SCOTUS isn't perpetually short-staffed, clogged up, and delayed. It should consider increasing the number of justices to 13, at par with the number of federal circuits in the country. Congress should also consider moving the Federal Marshal Service to be under the administration of the judiciary instead of the executive branch. It would preempt any interbranch conflict where SCOTUS issues an order but the president refuses to comply. Federal marshals should be in a position to enforce the court's orders should the need arise, and not be encumbered by executive bureaucracy if the president decides that they would rather not comply with the SCOTUS's orders. Justice Kagan wisely said, and I'm paraphrasing, that the justices are not policy experts on everything. I welcome such humility from the court. SCOTUS needs guidance so it does not fill legal dicta with what justices think and believe about medicine, psychology, history, and other disciplines where they do not have the necessary expertise. It has been a long time since Congress has reformed the judiciary. Congress needs to update the judiciary so the court is better equipped to handle cases and deliver justice to the people. SCOTUS is not infallible, but its rulings should be made resilient and robust so they address and promptly solve the needs of the people rather than sluggishly move to trample the rights of the people. Thank you for listening.